This is a grand day. This is a new, awesome day. This is a magical, powerful day. Grand rising. This is a new beginning. This is me, new unto the world. This is me choosing my vibration deliberately. This is me being aware of my emotions and how I'm feeling. This is me feeling my grand rising. Being aware of the value of my emotions. This is me with a vortex of new things all available to me. This is a really great day. This is a fantastic, powerful day. This is me in receptive mode. Me receiving abundance and prosperity from all angles. Everything I've seen in my mind's eye. Everything I say I am. This is me in alignment with my higher self. This is a great day. This is a new adventure. This is a magical adventure for me. Grand rising. Today, everything in my world will respond the way I know it should respond. I am a winner. I am a chaos being. While I sleep, my true self gave me all the answers I need. I know this is an illusion. I know I'm the creator of this illusion. I know I have the greatness within me. I'm unstoppable.
Message.
I like knowing that Source, you're with me. And I like knowing you're the basis of my really great day. I like knowing that you are aware of me, and I like knowing that you're with me throughout the whole day. And I like knowing you're here with me every step of the way. This is a really great day. As I move through this day, haters and vampires might come my way, but I'm 10 steps ahead of them, with you by my side. Survival mode. What's that? I'm in full God mode. I'm the creator of my reality. I'm in control of this illusion. I'm a titan. I'm a magician. I'm the ultimate observer in this illusionary reality. Grand rising. I know I'm going to feel great all day long. I know I'm manifesting my reality with thought, mind, power. Nothing can stop me. I'm embracing this really great magical day. I work smart. Nothing hard is in my path. I always get things done. I'm attuned to my high vibrational state. I'm always smiling, laughing, and having unconditional love for myself. My vision is clear. I'm vibrating from the heart chakra and above. I'm in control of this illusion. I'm appreciative of all the beautiful, wonderful things in my life. I'm appreciative of my all-knowing power. My truth is my truth, and it's never faltering, and it works for me. No one can take my sunshine. No one but me. My spirit is moving me into situations that work for me and are powering up my day. I am a successful, prosperous, magical chaos being. Chaos being, potential energy, exploding power, ready to create my day. My understanding is forever growing and making strides in this time-space continuum.
Quad!
This is my day, and nothing is going to stop me. Grand Rising.